Hello GPAT aspirants, welcome to Pharma Syndrome YouTube channel. So in this video, we will discuss about what things you have to do and what things you shouldn't do before exam day, that is GPAT 2026. So you know that GPAT 2026 is going to happen on the March 7th, that is Saturday of this week. So you are too busy in preparation and till now you've done your hard work and now it's time about your smart work, especially in the last 2 days, especially day before of exam and night of the exam, nothing but before night of the exam. So what are the things, common things you have to be follow, you have to do and you should not do. So simple things are like here do's and don'ts. So simply review key topics and summary notes. So key topics must should be, for example, regarding pharmacognosy point of view, like biological source, synonyms, chemical constraints, important tables like types of chromatography examples, calcium oxalate crystals, and specific chemical test like that. And in microbiology, like a specific test for particular diseases, and even differentiation between the different types of staining, and even biotechnology also there, and even jurisprudence, especially forms and schedules, acts along with their years. So like this, from each subject we have to go through the key topics and especially important tables. And next one, do a brief revision of major formulas, facts as well as a concept. That is very important. And solve one to two previous year papers under timed conditions. If it is possible, please go through once previous year question papers, especially 25 as well as 24, how the questions are appeared. Because last two times that is under the National Board of Examination. Okay, and continuation of your do's during the preparation of last day before of exam, especially plan your exam day. So sleep must be there and wake up on time as well as travel time. So plan your traveling towards your exam center on time, definitely before the time. And next, those are like eat healthy foods, nuts, fruits, drink water, whatever it may be. So definitely it is an easy thing, always giving suggestions, but it is difficult to follow them, especially before the day of exam, especially 2 days before of the exam. But you are the human beings, you can do it, you can control yourself, and even get a good night's sleep. Definitely it should be 7 to 8 hours. What you have to do already you done. So don't panic in the last 1 or 2 days. So definitely give preference to the proper sleep, definitely 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And what are the things you should not do? So these are very important. So these are the things what you should not do, like avoid starting any new topics or complex things. Don't memorize everything in the last minute. Don't try to memorize the things in the last minute. Try to revise the things. Okay. And don't drink excess caffeine or energy drinks. Avoid studying late night into the night, because sleep is very important. Because if you have a good sleep before the day of exam, on that 3 hours, your mind work like a good thing to give correct answers. Never neglect sleep for last minute. That is a simple thing you have to follow. Don't neglect, never neglect the sleep. And especially you have to be cautious regarding your food. So don't skip meals or any taking snacks, whatever it may be, and don't take any junk food. Avoid discussing doubts in the last minute. So don't do this thing, especially so discussing with others regarding this is correct, that is correct. So because the mindset is always important. You studied well, you know that you can do it perfectly, but only thing is till now you done the smart work. Now it is time for smart work. Definitely you will do it. So all the best. If anything is there, let me know. Comment in the comment box. All the best.